that R is an open set. Now what is the meaning of an open set? A set is an open set if all of its points are the interior points of E. If all of its points are the interior points, right? And now what is an interior point of E? A point is an interior point of E if its neighborhood becomes the subset of E. Then we say that this point is an interior point of E, right? If I show that all the points of the set R are the interior points of R, then we say that the set of real numbers is an open set, right? Okay, so let's take one point from R. So let X belongs to R. To show that X is the interior point of R, for that I need to create a neighborhood of X, right? So if X belongs to R, then there exists epsilon positive such that the neighborhood of X, that is X minus epsilon, X plus epsilon, is a subset of R, isn't it? This is the neighborhood of X. So this neighborhood is the subset of R. That means X is the interior point of R. So therefore, X is an interior point of R. Now X was arbitrary. We can take any point from the set of real numbers such that its neighborhood becomes a subset of R for a suitable epsilon, right? We can take any epsilon positive such that for that suitable epsilon we can create a neighborhood of the point which becomes a subset of R. So but X was arbitrary, so therefore every point of R is an interior point of R. And when every point of R becomes the interior point of R, that means R is an open set. So thus R is an open set. Hence proved. Alright, thank you.